Alright, so this is a screen recording of a trade I took today. I did a first record before I took the entry in, but it seems like the mic wasn't recording. So this is the recut of it actually. So the reason why I kinda went in to take this trade. So yep. Let's find out exactly where I went in, so I can show you guys over in trading view. Okay, so it was around that point. Alright then. So let me just try to find it. Alright, yeah, this is where I took the trading. So let's break it down to why I decided to enter for a trade here. Okay, I saw that price went up here, sweep out this liquidity, and I was saying to myself, okay, if market wants to go up higher, I would like to see these lows be taken out. Then we can use it as a push to move and go up. So my overall aim was right out to take out these highs the overall time. So I decided, okay, I can probably do a little sell to try to get some momentum to come down. So I waited patiently. I wait until liquidity hit. So liquidity got taken out here. So I'm just gonna put the broken line and just turn off the session so these things can be a little bit more clear. So after it hit liquidity, I was waiting for a confirmation so that I could go in, and it would have been this breakout structure. As you see, a break here, break here, break here. Use my fib retracement, and then decide to say, alright, I'm just wait and see if I have a uptrend on like the 1 minute, then for it to like break and support the 5 minute downtrend. So I saw that around, I think it was here. Yeah, I think this is where I entered in. It was right after we get that break above here. I put my stop loss right up above the point where the liquidity was measured off. I said, okay, we can take this trade. Okay, aim for it to go down. As you see, it didn't. It really went through, hit SL, but afterwards it did go down. As you see, because my plan was for it to take out all these levels. That was eventually my aim. So probably to take out a few of these of 15 minutes. This was really my aim, to take out these, and then we can say, okay, I'm gonna decide and move higher. Well, it did actually do that, but it hit SL. We got a confirmation, the market break, and went above here. I decided to go down. I'm not sure what made it go down. I think it might be news, or it can be my bias being right. But I think that probably I should really focus more on 15 minutes. But I'll explain it in the next video. But SL got hit, but overall I'm guessing my bias was right, because you see market came down here, did it and stuff. And I checked the time for when this movement happened, and it happened before Trump even started to talk, so it looks like it was supposed to go down. But I guess these are just one of the things that's just probability, I guess. Won't always be on my side, and that's just how the trading game goes. Say liquidity come down here, take out this. But this is the next trade I'm looking at right now. The only reason why this is kind of iffy is because technically you can set up a 5 minute break right here. Break again right here, went up here. Invalid a couple fair value gaps. And this can probably decide as a retracement and go up higher. The reason why I'm kind of hesitant and taking on this right now is because these 5 minute places right here don't really look like a solid level. For example, I'd probably want a level like this to be taken out. Then I can say, alright, we probably wanna go up. So even though the liquidity was taken here, in theory I can go ahead and take off a trade off this, but it feels I would be kind of forcing the trade in a sense. And I don't really want to force it. Because really and truly, market can come with big imbalance, so big move, cause the market to push and go down. And this happened around 8:50. So now let's just check and see what happened around 8:50 when it comes onto the news. See? There was no news around 8:50. So just based on this big push, I may think that market may actually want to go down. I'm just not really confident in taking this trade. So I'm just gonna leave it. I can't go in because technically this does meet my rules of the liquidity sweep, bam bam bam. Overall structure is bearish. I'm so tired right now. But this does have the potential to go down. And the fact probably whenever 2 o'clock come, I'll wait for 2 o'clock to take out some liquidity and I can wait for a reaction. But as it is right now, yeah, I'm just not gonna place any trade. But yep, that's pretty much why. And this was a trade, but I lost this one right here. Right here. I'm gonna recheck and see if I actually post this trade, which was right here on my YouTube, because I'm really trying to see if I can journal everything. So I'm gonna really check out that one to see if I post it.